up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do, well, these are the butterfly locks, but these are the short edition. I just really love the results. Like, I really like the short locks better than the long ones. So I decided to just record the shorter version of the locks because I did do some just a little bit different than the longer version, so y'all can just see the difference between the two. And if you're new here, make sure you like this video and make sure you comment and subscribe to my channel. We are on the road to 2K, so hopefully we can get there pretty soon. Definitely before the year here, I want to hit 2K. Make sure you go subscribe to my channel for more content, more videos, so I can put them out there for you guys. And if you are interested in learning how I did the short butterfly locks version, make sure you keep on watching. I'm starting my hair parted up into sections. I did not blow dry my hair. I did a pre-stretch method the day before I started this video. So all I did was wash my hair, deep condition, brushed it out, and braided it. But I put some oil on my hair as well. So now I'm using 5 packs of Freetress Waterwave 22-inch braiding hair, and I'm using a pack of Marley hair. Then I'm getting some mousse, combs, scissors, edge brushes, all that stuff. And Maury's edge wax and Ebin's edge control 24-hour. So now what I'm doing is just parting my hair into sections so I can start pre-braiding my hair. And I'm also speeding through this because hopefully y'all know how to individually braid. I'm applying Maury's edge wax to the roots so they can be sleek. I'm taking the edge brush to brush it down. Smoothing it all in so I can start braiding my sections. And I'm basically going to be doing this around my whole entire head.
So now I am taking 2 pieces of Freetress braiding hair, and I'm also taking a piece of Marley hair, just one, so that will be 3 pieces total. And I am just brushing them out so they can be frizzy. And I am measuring now, so make sure all of them are the same length. And I'm going for like a blunt cut look. And now I'm just twisting the single braid and the hair together so it can be tight at the roots. And now I'm taking the other piece and just wrapping that around it. And I wrap it around about like 3 to 4 times so it can be like super tight at the roots. Then you just want to keep wrapping all the way down. You don't want to be too tight and you don't want to be too loose, so you just got to find that balance. Make sure it's just like a, not, you know what I'm saying, not too tight but not too loose, like in the middle. Just making sure that it's just still secure. So once you reach your desired length, you want to wrap that extra hair back up into the lock so you don't make them like longer than what they need to be. And now I'm taking nail glue and just securing it, putting some nail glue at the end. Then I'm gonna seal it down and then palm roll it. Then you should have some extra pieces at the bottom. You just want to cut that off. And that is it. So now I'm just showing y'all another example of what y'all need to do. So make sure you comb out 2 pieces of Freetress hair and 1 Marley hair. Then you want to wrap one piece of the all 3 of the hair into my braid. Try to twist it at the root so it can be tight. Then I'm taking the other piece and wrapping the hair. Make sure you wrap the roots like 3 to 4 times. Then when you get to the bottom and you reach your length, make sure you wrap that hair back up into the lock. Then I sealed that with nail glue, and then I'm just cutting the bottom off. And that is it. So now I'm just going to show you guys how they look so far. And now I'm just going to speed through it, and y'all just keep watching and see how I do it. Y'all need to rewind it, do it. But I'm just going to fast forward until I'm done.
And that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate all of you guys who've been tuning into my videos. We are on the road to 2K. So please make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below and tell me guys what you think about the shorter version of the butterfly locks. I personally like them better than the longer versions. They're super cute. They're not heavy at all. They're lightweight, so they're not heavy on the head, so that's pretty good. No, I feel like the shorter lights is giving a more natural look, and I really like that. So I think that's really why I like the shorter ones, and they're just cuter to me. So I see why people do the shorter version of the butterfly locks. But I'm gonna link everything in the description box below, all the materials I use, how many packs I use, so you guys don't have to ask me how many packs I use, just check the description box. That is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching again, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.